Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have the gift card ready and an active Make My Trip account. Start by confirming the exact balance and expiry so you know how much to apply. Once signed in, search your destination, pick dates and room type, and click Book Now to enter checkout. Make sure your profile details match the guest information so payments and receipts process smoothly. This first step gets you into the booking flow and positions the gift card option where you can apply it during payment. At checkout, look for the gift card, voucher, or promo code field and select it before entering credit card details. This ensures the platform deducts the amount first. Enter the voucher code precisely, copy-paste avoids typos, then click Apply and watch the payable total update, which confirms the gift card was accepted. If the gift card covers part of the cost, make sure to select your secondary payment method for the remainder. Once applied, review booking summary to confirm room, dates, and final charge. Complete the booking by paying any remaining balance and wait for the booking confirmation email. Verify it shows the gift card deduction so you have proof of use. If the voucher is rejected, make sure the code was entered correctly, confirm the balance and expiry, and then retry. If issues persist, contact Make My Trip support with the voucher code and screenshots. For split payments or disputes, keep transaction ID and screenshots handy. This speeds resolution and ensures you recover any unprocessed gift card funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.